Welcome! In this lesson, we'll write a JavaScript program that catches a type error when accessing a property on an undefined object. We use a try catch block to safely handle the error without crashing the application. Understanding error types and how to handle them is key to writing resilient code. Let's jump into the problem and learn how it works. The issue arises when we try to access a property from something that is undefined. This results in a type error because undefined does not have any properties. We'll wrap this in a try catch block and check the error type using instance of. This keeps our program running even when something goes wrong. Here's the full code. We start by assigning undefined to a variable. Then we try to access a property, which triggers a type error. In the catch block, we use instance of to check the error type. If it is not a type error, we rethrow it to avoid hiding unrelated bugs. The program first attempts property access on an undefined variable. Since this isn't allowed, a type error is thrown. Inside the catch block, we check the type of error. If it is what we expect, we log a helpful message. Otherwise, we pass it on. When we access a property on undefined, a type error occurs. The try catch block successfully catches and logs a custom message. If a different error type occurs, like a range error, it gets rethrown. You can even handle null the same way. It behaves similarly in JavaScript. This pattern is useful in real-world scenarios where data can be undefined, whether you're handling form inputs or server responses. Errors can happen. Catching type error prevents app crashes and improves user experience. It is also a valuable skill for interview-level JavaScript questions. In this lesson, we've learned how to safely handle property access on undefined variables. Using try-catch and checking with instance of helps us isolate and manage specific error types. This ensures that only the right errors are caught and others aren't swallowed silently. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.